Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even
What's good, guys? So, it is the next day, and I did run to Harbor Freight. I ended up picking up a battery charger, maintainer, I guess you can say, and also a few belts from AutoZone. The belt that I had yesterday was too small, so I ended up going off that one, going up a few inches, and hopefully one of these are gonna fit. Unfortunately, they did not have any 7-rib belts. These are 6-rib ones. I got 2 of them, 2 different sizes. We're gonna see which one fits, which one works, and if it works, we're gonna rock with it either way. It'll do its job. And then I'm gonna go ahead and connect the battery now, or the battery charger, to the battery to see if we can get that charging, because we need to get power to everything so that we can start, be able to crank this fucking car up and start bleeding the system. So let me go ahead and put everything together, and we'll pick back up, putting back on the belt.
Strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name. Oh, and I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at?
Alrighty guys, so I got one belt to work. That belt is a smaller one, so that is the 515 K6 or 6PK 1310. That's the one that I'm using right now. I'm gonna see how it winds up once we're able to get the car turned on. Hopefully we can get it turned on and we can get it going, because we need to get this started. So we're gonna see how this all goes, and hopefully we can get this freaking battery charged, because yeah, it ain't starting. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if we can give it a little bit of power and get it started. Alrighty guys, so pretty much checked everything. Battery is already charged, already disconnected everything, put the ECU in, and we are about to do the start and let it cool, I guess heat up and cycle. So hoping everything goes right. I've checked everything. I've checked a lot of the nut and bolts that I can remember checking, and so on and so forth, like all the grounds, everything is tightened up. So hopefully everything turns out well, and hopefully things can go smooth from this point on, because you know, dyno is just literally a couple days away. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera down, and hopefully we can get the car started. Guys, there you guys go. Car starts. Let's go ahead and let it idle. Let's go ahead and let things bleed out. I'm gonna keep an eye on the things real quick, make sure we don't have no leaks, and we'll pick back up after a little while. So let me go and take care of all this real quick, guys. Alrighty guys, so car looks good. I've been looking for leaks and all that, and everything seems to be solid. So
car is running pretty good. Fans are cycling, coming on and coming off. So we should be 100% ready. In all honesty, I don't see a reason why not. Temperatures are reaching anywhere from like 179 to 175, and then it goes back down to 175. That's when it cuts back out. So I know it's doing what it's doing, because right now that was 175. You'll see it'll come back on around 179 once it reaches the temperature. And no leaks. No leaks on the bottom. Nothing. So one thing I'm kind of curious about is because there's a lot of smoking out from here, and a little bit of smoke back here. So I'm gonna do a little bit more tightening of these bolts to make sure that they're golden. See, fan just kicked on again. 179. I have the heater on full blast, so it should be good. I'll show you guys right now when the fans turn off. So that's one thing when I see a little bit of smoke, you know, from it being warm and hot. Other than that, turned off already. Look at 175. So it's doing what it's supposed to do, pulling it down, and I believe you should be ready. Nonetheless, I'm still going to go over things. I know I probably repeated that like 1,000 times already, but I'm going to go over things just to make sure that we're solid on everything, you know, within the next couple of days. Tighten everything, you know, let it warm up again, do its cycle, and keep checking on it. So I think pretty much, guys, that is going to wrap it up for today's video.
hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. And if you guys did, please comment, like, subscribe. As you guys see, you know, I just wanted to get busy, get down on shit, and make this shit done and over with, because I'm extremely happy to get back onto the dyno with Armin. Hopefully the next video should be heading to the dyno. But before that, I think, in all honesty, I think we may be doing one more video explaining what the next plan is for the garage, what I'm gonna be doing here, and what I want to do in the future. So if you guys look forward to that video, again, please comment, like, subscribe, and yeah, we'll catch you guys on the next one. Till next time.